Money, what you doing? What you doing? You giving kisses? Give a kiss. Give Rick a kiss. Yes, I got the camera. Are you loving on Rick?
You sniff. You sniff.
Sniff, Money.
Sniff.
Sniff. Can you?
Growling.
You gonna growl? It's in the throat. That's a growl. Money, you gonna growl? You can give a kiss? He's got his eyes half closed. Are you getting tired now? You gonna take a nap? You gonna give a kiss? Sniff. You gonna sniff? You gonna growl? Sniff. Sniff. Pretty bird. You're being a pretty bird. He's winding down now. You give him kisses? You give him kisses? Big kisses? You gonna growl? Oh, he's gonna love between your knuckles. You give him kisses? You give him kisses? You loving on Rick's hand?
Scratch. You can scratch.
Sniff. Are you coming to see Mommy? Mommy can't film that.
Sure you can.
Okay, I got bare legs.
Sure you can. Sure you can. What? 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 Can you talk?
Is he telling you all about it? You giving kisses? Give a big kiss. A big one. You give a big kiss? Mwah. Are you grooming Rick's mustache? What? I know who's gonna like seeing this. Nikki. Oh, look at how pretty. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. You gonna growl? Are you Rick's buddy? Are you my buddy? Oh, you can be Mommy's buddy? Oh, he's a good bird. He's a good bird.